Hi guys, if you're planning to sell a home in the Valley, in San Fernando Valley, or anywhere in LA, this is for you. Did you know that buyers will form an absolute unshakable opinion about your property in the first 7 seconds of walking through the front door? It's true. And the work you do before your home ever hits the market is the exact difference between getting left on the table or walking away with top dollar. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Rosi Agopian, real estate broker with Beverly Company Luxury Properties, serving entire San Fernando Valley from Calabasas, West Hills, Woodland Hills to Sherman Oaks, Encino, Studio City, and all across Los Angeles. Today, we're kicking off a brand new 4-part series, your complete step-by-step seller's guide, starting right at the foundation of how to prepare your home for sale so it commands maximum exposure. In this video, I'm walking you through the exact room by room, interior and exterior blueprint to make buyers fall in love the moment they pull up to the curb. So make sure you stay until the very end because I'm going to share one secret staging tip that costs almost nothing but instantly adds thousands of dollars to your final sale price. The very first thing I tell every single one of my clients is that the exact moment you decide to list your property for sale, your home is no longer your home. It becomes a product that needs to be presented in its absolute best light. That means you have to emotionally detach, which I know can be incredibly difficult if you've spent years raising your kids there and building beautiful memories. But buyers don't see your memories. They don't care. They see clutter, dated fixtures, and the running list of things they're going to have to fix. Our goal is to completely remove those visual objections before they ever cross the threshold by adopting the mindset that we're preparing a flawless, clean, bright, depersonalized, and move-in ready model home, which is exactly what sells fast and for top dollar in our competitive Los Angeles market. Let's start with the most basic, yet most critical foundation. Your home needs to be spotlessly clean. And I don't mean cleaning up for weekend company. No, but professional grade, every corner, every surface, every grout line clean. If it's within your budget, I highly recommend hiring a professional deep cleaning crew to scrub the inside of the oven, the top of the refrigerator, the baseboards, ceiling fans, light switch covers, and most importantly, your windows, inside and out. As clean windows alone make a home feel instantly brighter and more expensive. Pay hyper-focused attention to the kitchen and the bathrooms, since these two rooms buyers scrutinize the most. A sparkling kitchen and a spotless bathroom can make an older home feel beautifully updated, whereas a dirty one, even in a gorgeous state, kills deals instantly. I have personally seen buyers walk right out of beautiful homes simply because the bathrooms weren't immaculate. So don't let that be you, and be completely honest with yourself about odors from pets, smoking, or cooking by getting the carpets professionally steam cleaned, airing out the property, and sticking strictly to faint, neutral light scents so buyers smell a clean canvas rather than your lifestyle. Next up is decluttering. So walk through your spaces with completely fresh eyes and follow my golden rule. If an item does not actively serve a purpose in making the room look spacious, beautiful, and completely neutral, it goes into storage, donation box, or the trash. Clear your kitchen and bathroom counters completely. Store away appliances you don't use every single day, and remove half of the items from every closet because buyers will open every single door and you want them to feel an abundance of storage space. Then comes the personalization. Take down family photos, kids' artwork from the fridge, religious items, sports memorabilia, and political anything, so that any buyer walking through that door can effortlessly picture themselves living their life there. Now let's talk about repairs, because one of the most common questions I get asked in the San Fernando Valley or anywhere is whether you should fully renovate your kitchen before listing. And my answer almost always is no. What does pay off immensely are the small, neglected maintenance items that buyers will use as leverage to negotiate against you, like leaky faucets, running toilets, cracked tiles, broken light switches, loose cabinet handles, scuffed baseboards, or minor holes in the drywall. These are incredibly cheap to fix, but if left undone, they send a loud message to the buyer that the home has not been properly maintained. A fresh coat of neutral paint, think warm whites, light grays, or grayish, is one of the highest return on investment things you can possibly do, along with having your HVAC serviced for a clean certificate, replacing an old water heater, and repairing any old water stains on the ceilings. As a digital marketing expert and broker, I work directly with my sellers to prioritize exactly which minor repairs make financial sense for your specific home and budget before we hit the MLS. Now, for my absolute favorite part, staging, which is the art of strategic placement so buyers can immediately see themselves living their best life in your space. Statistics prove over and over that staged homes sell significantly faster and for more money. And while I always recommend professional staging for luxury listings, you can achieve high impact results yourself by maximizing furniture flow, removing oversized chairs that block walkways, and defining each room's purpose clearly. And simple upscale touches like a clean bowl of lemons on the kitchen island, crisp white towels in the bathrooms, and an elegant floral arrangement on the dining table, and apply my secret staging tip, lighting. Most homes are completely underlit, so replace every single burned out bulb. Go on to the maximum safe wattage, make sure the light temperatures match, and on showing day, open every curtain and turn on every single light, including closet and pantry lights, because bright homes photograph vastly better, show better online, and sell faster since light equals space in a buyer's mind. Before we wrap up, we have to talk about curb appeal, because that 7-second clock starts the moment they pull up to the curb. Power wash your driveway and front walkways. Lay down fresh mulch in your flower beds. Trim back overgrown hedges. Plant vibrant seasonal flowers right near the front entry. Make sure your house numbers are modern and clean, and give your front door a fresh coat of paint if it's looking watered. Here in the San Fernando Valley, we are blessed with gorgeous weather, so use it to your absolute advantage by making your backyard patio, deck, or outside sitting space look completely irresistible. All right, that wraps up part 1 of your complete seller's guide. If you found these tips valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel right now, because next week in part 2, we're breaking down exactly how to find and hire the right real estate agent to represent you. If you're currently thinking about selling your home here in the San Fernando Valley or anywhere across Los Angeles, I would love to be your broker. I combine deep localized market expertise with cutting-edge digital marketing strategies to give your home maximum exposure and net you top dollar. If you want to get an instant home valuation, the link is in the description here, or connect with me directly. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in part 2. Take care.